Have a look at these 19th century blacksmith gates. One of my favourite designs. They've been been erected for 3 months now. I'm just passing. I thought I'd video them. 12-foot width. This client was looking for some piers as well. He didn't want them to be hinged directly onto the brickwork. Solid, galvanised, hot forged, rivets, collars. You can always tell solid because it's got a sharp corner, no curves. There's no tube in this whatsoever. Handmade slam bar, hot forged leaves. This is a major point. You can see quite clearly that the sections are punched through the horizontals. That's the pier that the client liked. Prior to manufacture, I always prepare a photo montage, full set of design drawings so that the client can see what they're getting. There's a lock box. Absolutely brilliant example. Some really fine gates. Job well done.